Welcome back to my channel, you amazing and glamorous crew. It's Monday. I hope your week started off great. Today we're going to start the week off here at Glam Tones with a set on my right hand. That means today is another Adventures of Non-Dom, where I work with my left hand and try real hard not to do a bad job. And actually, I think today's nails came out pretty darn cute. So you'll have to let me know if you agree with that when we're all done here. We're going to do a ton of layering today, and the first layer is going to be gel polish. This particular color is by Gelixer. I got it at the little shop I go to here, not too far from my house. I want to say down the street, but it is not down the street. And it's my first color by Gelixer. I think it's so pretty. It's called Dark Terra Cotta, and you can see while I'm reloading the brush there that it self-levels really nicely. So I can't wait to try some more of the colors. And what I like is that it comes with a companion regular polish, which I like to use on my toes because I find removing gel from my toes to be just not my favorite thing. So I've kind of gone back to wearing just regular polish or transfer foil or something like that on there. The second color we're going to use is this real pretty purple by Modelones, and the third color that we are going to choose is this green color, this sort of army-ish, dark army green or medium army green, whatever, from the LanFo collection. And the purple is also going to go on the thumb. And you'll see here in a second, we're also going to put that green on the index finger. And I know the colors in and of themselves don't, like, it might seem like this is like, what are you doing? What are you doing right now, Gigi? But you're going to see in the end, these colors are just the first layer. And so they will peek through, but they're not going to be the main focus of the nails. So what we're going to do now is add some transfer foil, and this is after a second coat and a full cure. And the reason I decided, I could have just tried to do transfer foil on the bare nail, but I find in my own personal experience that transfer foil chips very easily. So having a base of gel polish down for it to adhere to and have like a base coat almost, and having that color underneath it, so if there is some spots that don't transfer so well, you've got color there. I just find it stays much longer, it stays better, it's prettier. So that's what we did, and now we're using opposite colors on this. We've got 3 colors that pretty closely match to the ones that we've chosen in gel polish. And on the green, I'm doing the purpley color and the pink. On the pink, I'm doing the green color and the purpley color. On the green one, I'm doing the purple, you get it, the purple and the pink, and on the purple, you're getting the green and the pink. So that way, all 3 colors are represented on every single nail, but not in the same way. Like, the polish itself isn't got that chrome sort of shine to it, just the transfer foil does. So on some nails, the purple will shine, and on some nails, the green will shine. And it look at that. It came out so cute. I love, love, love. And we could have stopped there, but we're not. Our third layer is a quick stamping with these pretty flowers. And I have to say, love, love, love how they stamped on top of this. That thumb is going to get a little bit more of a treatment in a second. And all of them are going to get stamped this way. There's not going to be any nail that does not get the same treatment. Now I know that I overlapped a little bit, but that's okay because our fourth layer is another transfer foil, and I'll just put it right on top of that, and it's little butterflies, and each nail will get its own separate little butterfly. And then once the whole layer is complete, I think then you get a very effective look. That's not where I wanted that butterfly to go, by the way, But you know, happy accidents. We're going to Bob Ross this stuff and not worry about it, because at this point I would have had to remove the entire nail to fix that, and not the nail itself but the art, and redo it, and Mama was not about that. So I just changed what I thought I would do with the next nail and put that one off to the side close to it, so it makes a flow, right? You just want things to flow, pretty basically. And each one gets its own special little color. Well, a couple got repeated, but what are you gonna do? I only had like 4 colors, I think, and I didn't use every single one. So there, look at that random glitter just sitting there, that random star glitter. I don't even know where that came from. I wasn't working with that today. It must have been from a couple days ago. Because you know we did use, well, actually you don't know, because that set's coming up. Shh. We're gonna start something. Look at how cute that is. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. Time for some top coat. Look at that. Look at how pretty it came out. Oh my goodness. One thing I did want to mention is that when I came in with the transfer foil gel, it kind of made the pink bleed a tiny bit. Do you see that? And at first I was kind of worried that I didn't like it, but the more I look at it, it feels like an artistic choice instead of an accident. So again, happy little accident, but look at how chromy the transfer foil looks. And the little peaks of the flat polish coming through. I love that effect. I love how it came out. I absolutely adore this set. I know there's still polish around my cuticles, but it's just gel polish or regular polish. So I cleaned it up after I was done with everything, so I didn't mess anything up with the acetone. And here we are with the finished set. I love these. I think they came out absolutely beautiful. They are for the person who enjoys a little extra, who wants to be a little loud and doesn't mind getting a little attention, because these are definitely going to draw a little attention. So if that is for you, this set is for you. If not, we'll try to come up with something for you on another day. Speaking of that, we will be back on Wednesday. I just wanted to point out how cute that little blue butterfly is. It's so cute. We'll be back here on Wednesday for another awesome nail art video. Until then, have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.